Hello, leaders. Hey, this is Paul Grau, and welcome to Run to Your Leadership Challenges, the daily show that equips leaders and entrepreneurs to achieve their greatest potential. This show is sponsored by Current Leadership Coaching, and they help entrepreneurs excel as leaders so they can create super teams. Find out more about them at currentleadershipcoaching.com. Hey, I hope you're doing absolutely great today. And this whole week, we're going to be reviewing some tips to set big goals and to ensure you achieve them. Now, I have revised a few older episodes, and by following the tips in these episodes, you'll be able to not only set your end-of-year goals and achieve them before the new year, but you'll also set yourself up for a great position to conquer 2021. So let's roll with it. So this week, we're talking about goals and aspirations. Now, before you tune out, let me just say that this isn't going to be another how to make smart goals briefing. We only have about 8 weeks until New Year's, so take the tips I give you and give them a legitimate try. See what happens. I know we can still achieve a few goals if we approach them properly. Okay, so first of all, you need to start with your dreams. Forget about all that junk about creating realistic goals because realistic goals are limiting. And most of the time, the biggest limiting factor is our own minds. We convince ourselves that certain goals are simply unrealistic before we even ever try to achieve them. So today's tip is simple. I challenge you to dream big. Make a list of all your biggest dreams. That's it. It's extremely important to write them down, and we'll talk about them tomorrow. You know, the biggest difference between our dreams and our goals is that we put deadlines on our goals, and we actually put effort into trying to achieve them. Our dreams are limitless, but not necessarily unrealistic. So write down your dreams on paper. That's the first step to make them a reality. Hey, since we've been talking about goals all week, we here at CLC have created a one-page goals worksheet for you to use to help you set up and stay accountable so that you can complete your end-of-year goals and launch into the new year in a great position. If you want this one-page goals worksheet, please visit currentleadershipcoaching.com/goals. And you'll also be able to find a direct link to that page in today's show notes. As always, thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Until tomorrow, run to your challenges.